Ready to brave the perils of DawnCraft with your friends? Let's get your server up and running. First, you'll need the official Minecraft server software. Head over to the Minecraft website and download the latest version of the Java Edition server. Make sure you download the Server.jar file. Create a new folder on your desktop or anywhere convenient and name it something like DawnCraft Server. This is where all your server files will live. Now, place the Server.jar file you just downloaded into that folder. Next, create a new text document inside the folder. We're going to use this to launch the server with more RAM. Open the text document and paste the Java command that allocates more RAM to the server. Change the numbers to reflect the amount of RAM you want to use. A good starting point is 4096 MB for 4 GB. Save the file as Run.bat. Making sure the save as type is set to all files. Double-click the Run.bat file. This will start the server for the first time and generate some essential files. You'll see a file called EULA txt. Open it and change EULA equals false to EULA equals true to agree to the Minecraft EULA. Save the file. Now, open the server properties file. This is where you'll configure all your server settings. The most important setting to change is online mode. If you and your friends are using legitimate Minecraft accounts, leave it as true. If you're using cracked accounts, set it to false. Be aware that setting online mode to false opens your server to security risks. You can also customize the world by changing the level seed to a specific seed. Look up DawnCraft seeds online for a unique experience. Save the server properties file. After making your changes, double-click the Run.bat file again to start the server with your new settings. This time it will load all the game files. This will take a moment. Once the server is fully loaded, launch your Minecraft launcher, select your DawnCraft profile, and add your server using your public IP address. You might need to port forward port 25565 on your router for your friends to connect. And that's it. You're now ready to explore the dangerous world of DawnCraft with your friends. Happy adventuring!